All this work on setting up your node deserves some kind of sweet, sweet reward, doesn't it? How about claiming some yield from your node? Sounds good to me. Sounds good to you. Let's get started. Hello all, JT here. It's time to get paid. Rewards in Rocket Pool come from three sources: RPL, execution layer, and consensus layer rewards. We'll start by covering RPL rewards and execution layer rewards for those in the smoothing pool. These rewards are distributed in 28-day intervals when Rocket Pool creates a checkpoint. We can see our checkpoint rewards with the command Rocket Pool node claim-rewards. Listed here are all the intervals of the rewards the node has earned. We can see the two types of rewards distributed in this way. You receive RPL rewards each interval as long as you maintain your mini pool's RPL bond above the 10% minimum. If you opt into the smoothing pool, you receive your execution layer rewards in ETH once per interval. It asks you which intervals you would like to claim. Leaving it blank will claim all the rewards at once. This is usually what we want. Just press enter. We now see the total RPL and ETH to claim. You have an option to restake your new RPL. This will place it in the bond for your mini pools, locking it up. You can stake none, all, or a custom amount up to 150% of the bonded collateral. Note: make sure you have ETH in your node wallet in order to claim your yield, because claiming will cost some gas to execute. Type in your selection. Today, we'll do selection number 2, which is to claim all 85 of our RPL tokens. Hit enter. Select the default gas by hitting enter, type Y for yes, and hit enter. Upon completion, you'll see the notice stating that claiming rewards has been submitted as a transaction. After a few moments, you'll see this transaction was successful. Let's show you a new cool command which shows all of your claims over time, as well as your unclaimed rewards. That command is Rocket Pool node rewards. Simple enough. Displayed are the claimed and unclaimed balances for both ETH and RPL. Neat. Check that out. It even separates the claims from the beacon chain versus those claimed from the smoothing pool. If you decide not to join the smoothing pool, any ETH earned from block proposals will be redirected to your feed distributor contract instead. By checking Rocket Pool node status, we see we opted into the smoothing pool, so our feed distributor has a balance of 0. If you did have a balance in your feed distributor, you can claim rewards at any time with the command Rocket Pool node distribute-fees. We suggest joining the smoothing pool, but the choice is yours. Finally, we have consensus layer rewards. These tend to be smaller and accumulate many times a day. Every few days, those rewards are skimmed to your mini pool. Once your mini pool's skimmed balance reaches 1 ETH, the accumulated sum is automatically sent to your withdrawal address. Automatically. You can sit back and watch the rewards flow in. If you want to manually distribute the rewards before they hit 1 ETH, you can use the command Rocket Pool mini pool distribute balance, which shows the amount accumulated in each mini pool and how much your share is. Just don't run this too often because it's not cheap on gas. And there you have it. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.